First, connect the power cord. Turn on the power switch. The lid will open automatically. Please remove the protective shipping foam before use. Here is the control panel. The door button opens the lid when the speed is 0. For safety, it is disabled while the rotor is spinning. Use the knob to adjust speed, RCF, time, and deceleration levels. The HD display indicates that the unit is set to continuous operation mode. Press the run button to start. While the centrifuge is running, press it again to begin the stop sequence. The timer starts automatically once the set speed or G-force is reached. You can modify parameters even while the machine is in operation. Once the cycle is finished, the lid will open automatically. Long press the knob for 5 seconds. After the beep, rotate it to choose between 2 braking levels. Level 1 is faster and is the standard setting. The shortcut keys, P1 and P2, allow you to quickly call up your saved programs. To reset a preset, long press the shortcut key, then toggle through speed, time, and G-force settings. Turn the knob to adjust values. Your settings will save automatically after 7 seconds of inactivity. There is an emergency release on the bottom. In case of a power failure, toggle the manual lever to open the lid. Always ensure your samples are properly balanced before starting an experiment. In addition to 15 milliliters and 10 milliliters tubes, we provide adapters for 5 milliliters, 2 milliliters, and 1.5 milliliters centrifuge tubes.